Python logging, use milliseconds in time format. By default, logging.format a% as time as prints with the following format, where 638 is the millisecond. I need to change the comma to a to format the time I can use. However, the documentation doesn't specify how to format milliseconds. I found this so question which talks about microseconds, but A, I would prefer milliseconds, and B, the following doesn't work on Python 2.6, which I'm working on, due to the %f.
This should work too.
Please note Craig McDaniel's solution is clearly better. Logging.formatter's format time method looks like this. Notice the comma in %s, %o3d. This cannot be fixed by specifying a datemember because CT is a time.struct_time and these objects do not record milliseconds. If we change the definition of CT to make it a datetime object instead of a struct_time, then, at least with modern versions of Python, we can call ct.structtime and then we can use %f to format microseconds. Or, to get milliseconds, change the comma to a decimal point, and omit the datemember argument.
Adding secs was the better option, thanks. Here is my amendment using this with Python 3.5.3 in Blender. The simplest way I found was to override default _sec_ format.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.